In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access to Google Forms. If you've ever shared a form and people told you they couldn't open it, it usually means the form is locked down. In the next minute or two, we'll switch it so the right people can get in and submit without friction. Start by opening your form in Google Forms. Make sure you're in the editor view, not just the preview, so you can change settings. You should see your form title and questions, along with the controls across the top. Look for the option labeled Published and click it. This is the quick access control for your form. When a form isn't published for public responding, only specific people can open it, which is why some viewers hit a permission wall. Clicking Published opens the panel where you decide who's allowed to respond. Inside that panel, find the Responder section, then choose Manage. This is where the audience setting lives. It's the place that determines whether your form is locked to a limited group or available more broadly. Opening Manage lets you see exactly who can respond right now and what alternatives are available. You'll notice the access is set to Restricted. That means only people you've explicitly allowed or people within a very specific group can open the form. To open it up, change Restricted to anyone with the link. With this setting, anyone who has the URL can view and submit the form, even if they're not signed into your organization. As soon as you make the switch, the change takes effect, and your responders can access the form immediately using the same link you already shared. A few quick tips to keep in mind. Only choose anyone with the link for forms that don't collect sensitive or private information. If you're using a work or school account, your organization might enforce additional rules, and some options may be limited by admin policy. When you allow anyone with the link, responses may be anonymous unless you've enabled email collection or sign-in requirements elsewhere in your form settings. And if you ever need to tighten things back up, return to the same place and switch the audience back to Restricted. That's all there is to it. Open your form, click Published, manage the responders, and set access to anyone with the link. Your audience can now open the form and submit without permission errors.